Hello, welcome everybody. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to remove your coolant valve control on a Prius 2005 second generation. It's pretty simple, it's not that bad, and it shouldn't take more than half an hour. But what I had to do is remove the headlights, and I'm going to link a video down below for how to do it. It's pretty simple, it won't take you 5 minutes. The second thing is I bought these clamps from Harbor Freight for $7, so they're pretty cheap. It's a must for this job because it's gonna save you from pre-filling your coolant. I did lose some coolant, but it wasn't that much, as you guys can see here. Let me take it out. So it's barely any much. Don't worry about it, I'll be replacing it anyways. Alright, so what I had to do is I had to remove the coolant pump as well, just out of my way to make it easier for me to access it. And there are two bolts. The top one here, the one up here, is 12 millimeter, and then the one on the side is just basically 10 millimeter. So once I got that done, the second thing I did, I just removed, there are 3 hoses. I removed the top one and then the bottom one. That's the easiest way I found it, and then the one on the side, and that's it. So, and this is the new one, and the way to put it is just the reverse order. I'm gonna start off by putting the new one in and then plug in the bottom hose because it's the harder one to get to, and then the ones on the side. But make sure you know which one goes on the top and which one is on the bottom. The top one has a white dot on it, and then the bottom one does not. So it's pretty simple. Thank you.